In school, we learned about the three branches of the federal government. Well, it is set up the same way here in Ohio, too, with the governor, state legislature, and state Supreme Court. And this year, you've likely heard a lot of talk about the Ohio Supreme Court. It's been front and center of the fight over redistricting and abortion. 3 seats are up for election this fall, and our State House reporter Morgan Trow explains why you might want to pay attention to the candidates.
The League of Women Voters of Ohio et al. Versus the Ohio Redistricting Commission.
The redistricting debate has put the Ohio Supreme Court in the spotlight, and Ohio voters have varying opinions about the actions of the justices.
There's no honest and open and full debate because the Republicans can ram through whatever they want, and that's not how our democracy is supposed to work.
With 3 seats available this November, Democratic voter Barbara Friedman-Yassick says it's essential for voters to use their voices to elect progressive candidates to the court, so they don't need to rely on a Republican justice to side with fairness. Republican voter John Tamburello agrees the court needs to be fair, and if voters elected a Republican justice, that justice should reflect their views.
Very rogue current Supreme Court with their redistricting, they cause so much chaos.
Chief Justice Maureen O'Connor, a Republican, has crossed party lines and consistently sided with the Democratic justices on redistricting, upsetting her party. But in the end, a federal court sided with the Republicans.
If the legislature is just going to do whatever it wants, then does the Supreme Court even matter?
Well, at the most general level, the Ohio Supreme Court is the final word on almost every question of Ohio law.
Constitutional law expert Jonathan Enton says the court is normally listened to, and it is the most powerful branch of the state, deciding on abortion laws, gun access, and housing issues.
These 3 seats are so very important to the freedom of Ohio.
You want representatives that reflect your views, then you need justices on the Ohio Supreme Court that will enforce those constitutional amendments.
The justices are supposed to be elected as nonpartisan candidates, but for the first time, the candidates' party affiliations will be listed on the ballot. At the State House, Morgan Trow, News 5.